So here we are, we're in Royal Quays up at North Shields, and we're going to go for some lunch before setting off and heading down to Hartlepool. These are the locks that we're going to be coming through. Tyne, so we're on the River Tyne, heading out towards open water. What a lovely day, a gorgeous day. Do a bit of that. So yeah, so we're on the River Tyne, just making his way out to sea, which is about 3 nautical miles.
Yeah, from start to finish.
Yeah, so about 2.5 nautical miles now.
You'll see the entrance shortly.
Yeah, nice day. There you go. See where we're heading? Out there. Yeah, looking forward to it. With Captain Dave! And I'm just the scrubber deckhand, you know, so I just cook and everything, water and swab the decks and, you know, stuff like that really. Yeah. Arrgh! Jim lad. Sail is now going up. Dave's controlling that from the powered winch. Okay, so we've got mainsail and the Genoa out, and we are heading south, down south-ish, down the east coast. So here we are south of South Shields now. It's on autopilot, as you can see. Making minor adjustments. We're only doing sort of 4 knots at the moment. The wind is not quite on our coming over our left hand side. Got the mainsail and the Genoa up. So we're getting some power, wind power, but as you can see from the top, the wind's not quite in the best position for sailing south. There's Captain Dave, look, there he is. Yeah, it's really nice. What a lovely day, gorgeous day. And it looks like there's just us out here, there's nobody else around, not anywhere around. We've come from there. I was going to try flying the drone, but to be honest, it's a bit too windy. I don't think I've got the mini drone with me, but if I launch it, I don't think it'll get back into wind. I think it'll finish up dropping out into the sea. So I'm not going to bother with the drone. I'm going to leave it packed away and just enjoy the sail back down to Hartlepool Marina. So we're just heading now east, sort of straight east really, away from the coastline, trying to use the prevailing winds, and then we're going to tack again and head south once we get past these pots, these crabbing pots out here. So we're doing 5.5 knots. We've got 12 knots wind speed.
Okay, when you're ready.
Okay, tacking. Yeah. under sail, totally. No motor power. It's quiet now. I can't even hear Joanne. So yeah, we are on track. We just had to tack, head further out to sea and then tack back in because the wind is slightly changing direction from it's sort of southwesterly now. Yeah, southwesterly, not ideal, but that's where we are. Because Steve Shillitoe bought me this. I've turned it round so I don't lose it, Steve. Alright, so I've got to turn it round because it's a bit windy now where we are. Nice bit of sunshine behind me. Look at that, they came all the way from Scotland with a little motor on the back because they'd broken the prop shaft. So we're in now Hartlepool Marina, successfully navigated the lock gates, Captain Dave at the helm, and we're just working his way now round to moor up. Oh, what a lovely night. Look at that sunshine. That sunshine's absolutely glorious. Absolutely glorious. Yeah, nearly finished. What a journey. So that was 6 hours, 7 hours at sea, coming back. Got a bit rough at the last couple of miles, but it was still good. Look at kids here swimming, jumping in, cooling off. Buggers, eh? So yeah, here we are. Yeah, I've enjoyed it. It's been really, really good. Felt safe under Dave's good seamanships, and it's been great.